Hi, my name is Matt Simmons, and right now we're going to be talking about the three different types of promotions and discounts. So, number one is we have promotions, which are one-time use coupons that each customer could only use one time. So, those are great for advertising to bring in new customers or to run programs for your existing customers. The second type of discount or promotion is on their order. We just released this new feature. It allows you to manually reduce the price of wash and fold orders by 10% or 20% or give $5 off. It gives you the ability to give them a discount on the fly. So you could run a Tuesday special to get special pricing on Tuesdays, or it's up to you however you want to use that. And the third type of discount are customer specific discounts. So this is a major feature. And this allows you to edit any customer and give them a specific discount. So now you could give a military discount, give all your military customers 10% off or whatever percentage off you'd like. Or you could create a special pricing for commercial customers and say, hey, they get the gold star pricing and everybody there gets, 15% off or whatever it happens to be. And that way, anytime that customer comes in, they will get that discount automatically applied. And finally, our system is very intelligent because now you have three different ways customers could save money, and you don't want them to stack all of those savings up. That's not fair to you. So our system will automatically find the discount that they qualify for and only give them the best discount. So that way it doesn't, they can't run three different promos. They can only do one. All right, so let's get into it. As far as promotions, I've already done a video on that, but you can find the one-time use promotions under maintenance and promotions. Make sure you're logged in as the owner right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit promotion. And here you go. I've got three different promos set up. If I want to create a new one, very easy. I just hit new promotion, and you could type in the code that like happy 20 or Yelp 10 and give them $10 off, or you could hit you could change it from currency to percentage. So most of the time you'll be doing percentages, and so it's super easy to use. And you can set the expiration date. So this promo will only be good until the end of October, whatever it happens to be. All right. The second type of promotion or discount, it's under maintenance and then system configuration. So you have to enable it, because not everybody wants it. So it's under maintenance and laundry and dry cleaning, and it's this last option right here, enable additional discount. All right, so we already have it enabled, and if you do check the box, make sure you hit save, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so this is the payment screen, and sometimes customers are paying when they drop it off, sometimes they pay when they pick it up. Regardless, you'll see the option whenever they're paying, you'll see the option for additional discount right over here. So I simply hit additional discount to add in that additional discount. That's the thing we just added. It defaults to a percentage, so you could give them 20% off. You could also toggle it back and forth, so you could give them $5 off if you like. Let's go ahead and switch back to the percentage, and we're going to give this customer 10% off. And I'm going to go ahead and hit apply. Now, what is the reason for the additional discount? So we could call it the Tuesday special. Maybe on Tuesdays we give all our wash and fold customers 10% off because it's a slow day and we want to build up our Tuesday business. So we'll type in Tuesday special. And now that customer got $8.25 off. Now keep in mind, if they're using a promo code and they're getting a discount, or they could have a customer specific discount, our software will pick the very best discount and just apply that one discount. It will not stack them together. So that's pretty much it as far as the manual discount. And you could give this customer a manual discount every time or whenever you want. But it does require a reason and records which employee gave them the discount as well. All right. So the next type of discount is my personal favorite, and that is the customer specific discount. So once again, you're going to need to, before you use it, you've got a little bit of setup to do. So first step is we click on owner, then we do maintenance, and now you've got a new option over here called discounts. So we'll go ahead and hit discounts. I've got 2 of them set up so far, but let's go ahead and set up a third one. And we're going to call this one commercial pricing. So we'll call this special commercial pricing. And we're going to give them a discount rather than a currency. We're going to give them a percentage off. And so this commercial type of customer will give them 15% off every single time. If I want to deactivate it, I uncheck this box so it's no longer active. And so now we got a 15% off commercial pricing discount. And now let's go ahead. So now we have discounts in the queue. So we could use these and give them away to different customers if we like. And only the owner or manager could apply these special customer-specific discounts because they're very powerful. Every time that customer comes in, if they have one of these discounts, it will apply that percentage off every single time they place a wash and fold order. All right, so let's go ahead and we'll go under attendant. We'll click on customer. And you look up the customer you want to give the special pricing to. So here's myself. I'm going to go ahead and hit the edit button, update customer, the pencil. So I click on that. And now here's the new feature right over here, discount. So I could give them the military discount, gold star, or commercial pricing. We'll do commercial pricing. Shows the description right over here. And it's active. Nothing else you need to do except hit save. And that's it. If you ever want to deactivate it, you could go back into that customer and simply tap active and it'll deactivate. All right, so now next time that customer places an order, he'll automatically get that 15% off. So we'll go ahead and create an order for Matt Simmons. And we'll do pay now with cash so you could actually see the savings in real time. And we'll do a 33-pound order. And now on this screen right over here, the total or the subtotal was $49. It would have been $49.50, but because I get special commercial pricing, I just saved $7.43. And this will show up on the customer's ticket. So that's really neat. So they'll be able to see that they benefited from that special customer specific discount. And if they use a promo code, it'll pick the very best promo code. So if the commercial pricing is better than the promo code, it will only apply the commercial pricing. So that's pretty much it. So now you've got 3 different types of discounts available, and you could use these to great benefit to help attract new customers and retain your existing customers too.